Children, next let's discuss about the concept magnification. So what do you mean by magnification? We have discussed that concave mirror sometimes produces virtual image. Some other time it will produce real image. Also we have discussed concave mirror sometimes produce a diminished image. Now sometimes it will produce a enlarged image like that. But a convex mirror always produces diminished image. So we know about this enlarged and diminished. But we don't know how much the image is bigger with respect to object. How much the image is smaller with respect to object. We don't know about that. So numerically, if we want to measure that, we need to find out the magnification. Okay, so what do you mean by magnification? Magnification is a quantity that helps us to understand or that tells us how small or how big an image is with respect to object. And there is a formula to find out magnification. Magnification is denoted by small m. And what is the formula? Formula is height of image divided by height of object. This is the equation or formula to find out magnification. Hi by Ho. Hi means height of image. Ho means height of object. In some books you can see H dash by H. H dash means height of image. H means height of object. Now, one more formula is there for magnification, that is magnification small m is equal to minus V by U. You know what is V and what is U. V is the distance of image from the mirror and U is the distance of object from the mirror. So magnification is height of image by height of object. Also it is minus V by U. Don't forget to add this minus sign in the formula. It is minus V by U. Also, what is the definition? It is the ratio of height of image to height of object. Now, some tricks are there based on this magnification. It will be helpful for your numericals. So, what is the first trick? If the magnification value is equal to 1. So just note down these tricks. This won't be there in your textbook. So please, you can take a screenshot of this and you can note it down later in your notebook. It will be very helpful, children. Okay. So if magnification is m is equal to 1, what does it mean? So if magnification is 1, that means height of image must be equal to height of object. If height of image is equal to height of object, the ratio will be 1. Okay. And if magnification is greater than 1, that means if this ratio is greater than 1, that means the numerator must be greater than denominator. Then only the ratio will be greater than 1. So height of image is greater than height of object if magnification is greater than 1. And if magnification is less than 1, that means the numerator is less than denominator. Then only the ratio will be less than 1. So height of image is less than height of object. So in this case, height of image is greater than height of object. So what will be that image? It will be an enlarged image because height is greater, image is greater or bigger than the object. In this case, the height of image is less than that of object. So it will be a diminished image. Okay. So if magnification value is less than 1, it will be a diminished image. If magnification value is greater than 1, it will be an enlarged image. If magnification is equal to 1, the image size will be equal to that of the object size. Next trick is regarding the sign of magnification. If magnification value is positive, that means it will be a virtual image. Why? See, magnification is height of image by height of object. So if it is positive, that means the image, the height of image must be positive and the height of object also must be positive. Height of object cannot be negative. So height of object and height of image must be always positive. And in which case height of image will be positive? Only if the image is erect or virtual. Okay, so for virtual image, magnification is positive. And if magnification is negative, it means it will be a real image. Why? Because if the image is real, it will be inverted. If it is inverted, it is below the principal axis, so its height will be negative. So negative by positive gives negative. Okay, so if magnification is negative, image will be real. Okay, so suppose magnification of an image produced by the concave mirror is -3. What all information you will obtain from this value? First, look at the sign. It is minus, magnification of minus. So, we got first information, it is a real image. Next, look at the magnitude. Is it greater than 1 or less than 1? Yes, it is greater than 1. So, if it is greater than 1, that means it will be an enlarged image. So, it will be an enlarged image. Okay, so what is the nature of image? From the magnification value itself, we will get an idea about the nature of image. What is that? The image will be real, inverted and enlarged. Suppose the magnification value of an object is let it be 0.5. So what is your idea about the nature of image? So first look at the sign. It is positive. If it is positive, we can assure that it will be a virtual image. If it is virtual, it will be erect. Then look at the magnitude part. It is 0.5, 0.5. It is less than 1. If it is less than 1, then height of image is less than that of object. That is, it is a diminished image. Okay, so what is the nature of image? It is virtual, erect and diminished. So all these ideas we will get from the magnification value itself. Okay.